Let's learn how to get my WhatsApp link. Have you ever wanted to send someone the link to your WhatsApp but didn't know how? You don't need to worry anymore because after watching this video, you won't have that problem. This tutorial is the same on both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing you need to do is find and open the WhatsApp application on your phone or computer. Once WhatsApp is open, make sure you are logged into the correct account from which you want to copy the WhatsApp link. When WhatsApp opens, you'll be on the Updates page, but you need to be on the page where your chats are. You can get there by clicking on the Chats option, which is located at the bottom right next to the Settings option. Once the page with all your chats is open, you will see a lot of unnecessary options for this tutorial. For this tutorial, find the person to whom you want to send your WhatsApp link. When you find the person, enter the chat with them by clicking on their name. Once you are in the chat, you need to send a message. In that message, you need to type wa.me and then write your country code with a plus sign. For example, +381 for me. After you write the country code, you then need to write your phone number.
Once you have written all of this, send that message to the person, and the message will contain your WhatsApp link, which you can now copy.
You can copy it by holding your finger on it, and some options will pop up. From these options, you need to click on the copy option, and you have successfully copied your WhatsApp link. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.